In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone an application in Cloudways. If you need to test a major update, create a safe staging copy for client review, or duplicate a site setup for a new project, cloning can save a huge amount of time. Instead of manually moving files and exporting databases, Cloudways gives you a much faster way to create a full copy of an application directly from the platform dashboard. To get started, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the Applications section from the top navigation menu. This is where you'll see the list of all the applications connected to your account. Find the application you want to duplicate, then open it so you're working with the correct source app before moving forward. Next, look for the three-dot options icon beside the application. Click that menu, and from the drop-down, choose the option labeled Clone App or Create Staging. This is the shortcut that starts the cloning process without needing to dig through deeper settings. After that, a configuration window will appear and ask you to choose the destination server. This is where you decide where the cloned version will live. If you choose the same server, you'll create a quick and convenient copy on your existing infrastructure, which is useful for staging or internal testing. If you choose a different server, you can place the cloned application on separate resources, which can be helpful if you want more isolation or you're preparing to work in a different environment. Once you've selected the destination, choose whether the new copy should be a standard clone or a staging environment, then click Continue. As soon as you continue, Cloudways handles the duplication in the background. It copies your application files, media, and database, and it also prepares a new temporary testing URL for the cloned version. The process usually takes around 2 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the original application. During this time, your live application stays online and unaffected, which is one of the biggest benefits of using the built-in cloning feature. When the process is complete, you'll see a success message, and the new cloned application will appear in your applications list. Before you start making changes, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check that the application name looks right, open the new testing or staging URL in an incognito window, and make sure the cloned site loads properly. It's also a good idea to verify the file access and database settings so you know the environment was copied correctly. That's it. You now know how to clone an application in Cloudways quickly and safely, whether on the same server or across a different one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.